Hey guys, welcome back. So today it's time to chop my fringe. I've been toying with this idea for a little while. I even got a clip-in fringe just to see what it would look like, and I'm really loving the look of it. And now I'm kind of getting disappointed when I have to take it out to go to bed and stuff, so I kind of just want it to be a permanent thing now. Yes, it is lockdown. Yes, it may be a bit impulsive to cut your own hair at this time because I feel like everyone's just got a little bit crazy. But yeah, I think I really like the look. So I'm just sitting on my floor at the moment. I just have my mirror here beside me and I'm just gonna part my hair. So let me just pull this up a little bit higher so you can see the top of my head. So I'm just gonna create kind of like a triangle section so that I can then just cut straight across. So this is where the fun starts because I'm nervous. Kind of thinking I should just stick with the clip-in, but then I just really want a fringe. Okay, so I'm gonna go back probably to about here. Yeah, I think I read something that said wherever things kind of go off your head. So I'm gonna start back here. Depending on how thick you want it to be, you'll have to go back more or less. And then you want to come to, say, the corner of your eye, so like around here. I'm just gonna go so you can see that's kind of like a half triangle. Clip this back out of the way. Okay, and I'm gonna try and match it on the other side now. Okay, yeah, maybe you can see if I do it in the mirror. So try and match this side. Going up around here, coming out at the same point, or trying to. Okay, so we've got a good kind of chunk of hair, but it's not too thick. I don't want too thick a fringe, but I also don't want to be too thin and wispy, so let me just put the rest of my hair back as well. Yeah, I think I'm ready to cut it. I do feel like I'll want a thicker fringe, maybe more thicker than this, but I'm gonna go with this first anyway, and then we can see. So basically the technique, you run your fingers down to where you want it to be, keeping it really close to so with your cutting hand, you run it down to where you want it to be, you switch, change hands, and there you go. So I'm going to cut up into it as well. Let's just go for it, you know. Are you as scared as I am? Okay, it's probably thinner than I want it, but I'm gonna, wow, all the hair in the sink. Let's just see what that looks like. That's a lot of hair. So you could stop at this point and just keep it as a little side swept bang. So as it grows out, this is probably what I'll do. It'll obviously just take a while for my hair to fall forward, not in its center parting. Anyway, they're longer than I want them to be, so I'm just going to repeat that same step again. So I decided to wet it and dry it to see if the center parting would fall out a little bit. Hasn't really, but I think it's still just because it's too long and it won't sit right. So I'm just gonna take the center of the fringe, put the rest of it to one side so I can see, and just cut this to a point that I think I can handle. So like here. Yeah, I think that looks okay. And then I'm just going to take the side of it and just kind of even it out a bit. I'm going to cut up into it because I don't want it to be super blunt. Okay, I think that length, I'm just going to keep it there because I think maybe when I wash it and dry it again, sometimes when you dry it, it kind of lifts a little bit. So we'll see. Also, I can always go shorter if I want to, but I can't go longer. So let's just let down the rest of my hair and see how it looks. Yeah, that is exactly what I wanted. Oh yeah. Okay, let me show you in proper light. I am loving this result. So good. I still think maybe it's a bit thin, but I just want to stick with it for a few days and see how I get on. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait for it to kind of settle in a little bit. But I love it. I think it looks so good. So yeah, it probably could do it being a little bit shorter, but I'm pretty happy with this. I hope if you decide to cut your own fringe that this tutorial was helpful. I watched so many before I did it and they were kind of all the same. So that's what kind of made me realize that that twist technique is the way to go. Yeah, so happy. I will see you guys really soon.